Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it has been a while since I've done a cleaning video where I've done a voiceover. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carlie. I'm a mama to a 1-year-old baby girl, and today we are going to be cleaning my entire travel trailer that we are living in right now. Little backstory, since I haven't done a video like this in quite a while. My husband is a professional ATV motocross racer, so we are down in South Carolina training for the 2020 season. We will be going back home to Pennsylvania at the end of next month. So today we're going to go ahead and clean up my travel trailer because, as you can see, it is a total mess. It is pretty insane living in here with a toddler who accumulates so many toys and stuff like over the time that we're down here. I swear every time we go out we buy her a new toy because I feel like she's kind of bored being in here all the time, so I always cave and buy her a new toy. But she's over there sitting on the couch watching some Dora while I go ahead and quick clean up the travel trailer. I did this first thing in the morning, so I went to bed last night with this a complete mess, and I woke up, I was like, I need to clean this right away. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and get doing. I just picked up everything off the floor to give myself a clear walking path. So I know this angle of me cleaning the bathroom is absolutely terrible, but this is the only spot I can put the camera where you guys can see in here. To the right of me is where the shower is, so it's a pretty tight bathroom for filming. It's actually pretty spacious for this type of travel trailer, so really lucky with that. Evelyn loves taking showers in here. She loves taking the shower like off the hook and having the spray nozzle. She thinks it's the coolest thing ever. But I'm just using the Method bathroom cleaner to go ahead and wipe everything down. This sink is always really hard to clean, so I have to sit here and like scrub all the toothpaste and all of that stuff out of here. So I'm moving over here to the table where we eat all of our meals at. Underneath these seats are an entire thing of storage on both sides. So the one side I keep all of Evelyn's toys, and then on the other side I keep all of our winter jackets since it is kind of cold here in South Carolina. So have all of our jackets and then her toys. I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's. I'm still using the pumpkin scent. I'm trying to use them all up, so I'm using that to go ahead and wipe off the table. So we purchased this vacuum from Walmart for like, I think it was $40, and it was the best purchase ever. It is so just easy to use here in the travel trailer. It's nice and small so I can store it. It actually comes apart, so you can use the top part. You don't use the bottom part that I'm using right now, so you can get like in all of the cracks and stuff. So I definitely recommend this vacuum if you guys have a motorhome or something, or just have like a small space to clean, because it is very easy to store and it is very affordable.
You my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space.
So next I'm just moving into the kitchen. I'm taking all of the trash off of the countertop over here because there was a lot. We got home pretty late the night before and we had some takeout, so everything was kind of all over the place. You can see Evelyn, she'll be kicking her legs and all of that stuff throughout this video, but she was being really good just sitting there watching Dora. She's pretty good when I tell her to like sit down and just watch something so I can get something done. If not, she is at my feet taking everything apart that I just cleaned, so that was good that she sat there. But like I said, I'm just going ahead and clearing off the countertop, and then I'm going to start on the massive pile of dishes that I have. So I'm curious to know what the weather is like where you all live, whoever is watching this. Comment down below what the temperature has been at your house, because here in South Carolina one day it'll be like today it was 67 and yesterday it was like 30 something. So comment down below what the temperature is at home. I have the worst spring fever. I cannot wait to just have the weather be warm and be outside and all of that stuff. So comment down below and let me know. I always try and scrub out the sink because probably 2 or 3 times a week we let Evelyn take a bath in here because she can fit in the sink and take a bath. It is the funniest thing ever and she absolutely loves it. I swear she misses home, like with the bathtub and stuff, because whenever we put her in the shower she's not like too thrilled at first until I take the shower hose down. But it took us a while to get her to take a shower in here because she was absolutely terrified. So I know she'll be happy to get back home and back in her bathtub. But I'm just going ahead and drying the dishes. Then I'm going to wipe off the countertop and wipe off all of the appliances. And that's pretty much all I'm going to be doing for the rest of this cleaning video.
He got it out for me, you know. He's such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's my hero. Thinking of taking a break, shutting it down to refresh. Honey, it's all for the better. Oh no, so spit it out to my face. It's okay, I've been busy working late, unrehearsed my face, like repeating my...
So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what it is like cleaning inside of a RV. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and probably the first week of April, once we are home, I will be back to my normal cleaning content. For now, I just kind of do day in the life. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!